on your own. And if you're unable to, then we will do it my way. And I promise you, you're not gonna like the way that I do it. Do you understand?
Understand.
You will be testing 2 times a week, so I know that you're not using it. Sir, you were charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. On June 7th, 2024, officers were dispatched to the complaining witness's residence and met with JV, a minor. The defendant is her older brother. They were having an argument because someone went through his items in his room. The defendant kicked her in her midsection area, causing her to fall on the floor, and struck her with a fist several times. Her younger brother also witnessed this. She felt pain. Defendant left the location before the officers arrived. That concludes.
This is old, right?
Yes, Judge.
This is from 2024. We're just now getting it? Is it a 2B?
Yes, Judge, it must have been a 2B. We do have another offense from a 2024 date as well, so I'm not sure what brought him in this day.
Mr. Garcia, I'm sending you for a drug and alcohol test. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system now and you're to come back. If you ever take off again, I'm going to make your bond extremely high. No more PR bonds. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You are on bond for a felony as well. Will keep my county safe at all costs. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to appoint your lawyer today, but I'm sending you for a drug test. You must take the test and come back. You understand?
Mr. Garcia, Alberto Garcia, thank you for getting tested.
Yes.
And I believe he tested positive. Cocaine and what's
Weed and alcohol.
cocaine, weed, and alcohol. Cocaine, weed, and alcohol.
Is that right, guys? Test positive cocaine?
Was there, he was, presumptive positive for THC, alcohol, and cocaine.
I'm now going to test you like crazy to make sure that you're not using, and then the next time you will stay with me. Do you understand?
I understand.
I'm giving you the ability and the opportunity now to stop on your own. And if you're unable to, then we will do it my way. And I promise you, you're not gonna like the way that I do it. Do you understand?
I understand.
You will be testing 2 times a week, so I know that you're not using it. Okay. What was the last name again?
Garcia, Alberto Garcia.
I'm also ordering you not to have contact with your sister, not to be in possession of weapons. If I find that you have contact with her, I'm issuing let me make sure there's a protective order.
The paper that I have, it says that,
He does say that.
yeah, that I can't be 20 feet.
It's already in his conditions, I think, but it's he's gonna update it.
I don't see a protective order that.
Oh, maybe not protective order, but to show me
The court that identifies JV as a protected individual, not commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate or threaten or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon. Harold, how old is he?
21.
Where do you live?
7298 Kings Gate.
I mean, are you living with mom and dad, or where do you live?
My mom.
Okay, does this person also live there as well?
Yes, but we don't have no contact. And I'll be out of work. And I feel, since I pretty knew about the case, that I can't be there, I'm find another place to.
I don't want to put you out on the street, okay? Where else? I'm gonna let you speak to Harold to see whether we will take off the residential restriction, okay? But I'm going to protect every person in this county, Mr. Garcia. You have to understand that your mom or whoever in your life probably doesn't have 10 to 20 grand to get you out on a bond if you violate this. So if you go to jail, you will probably be stuck like Chuck in there until this is over with. And it takes damn near 9 months just to get a 911 tape. Do you understand?
I understand, sir.
So make wise decisions because you get no more warnings from me.
Yes, sir.
If he has nowhere else to go, I don't want to put him out on the street where he can go back to the house with mom. But I just don't want him having contact with sister, you know, and I don't want you to pick up any new cases. You're on bond for felony now. They may very well revoke that bond as it is by you picking up this new case.
Let me talk for 2 minutes, Judge. I can.
Take your time. Just if you need it, we'll do it.
Yes, sir.
But you need to sign this order for protection before you leave. Okay? Can you file no contact, no weapons, please?